In this video, I'm going to show you how you can private your TikTok account. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your TikTok, right? This is our TikTok right now. So just click on this more, right? Click on this settings from here. Wait for it to gradually load up, right? So if for any reasons you love to private your TikTok account, for any reason, this is basically how you can do this. And I'm currently here on my PC, right? So it's a bit like it's clear here, right? So once this has loaded up right now, you're going to see this privacy, right? Click on this privacy. You can see private account here. With a private account, only users you approve, right? So just click on this. If you click on this private account, I'm just gonna turn it on, right? So you can see our account is now private, right? So you can see the discoverability of this account is private, right? So our account is a private account right now. So this is basically how you can private your TikTok account. If you find this video, appreciate us below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you on the very next video.